Have you seen the magical builders from Coles? They're little mini figures of the Harry Potter characters. Obviously got Harry Potter and Hermione here. I'm going to base mine around one of those little magical builders. Let's start with her scarf. I'm just going to come down, across, up and around, and then this is the bottom of her face, around there like this. Then her face is going to come around and around like this. Then she's got a big nice smile. Now how you draw the eyes is up to you. I'm going to draw Kawai style eyes. So big circle, another circle, another circle. 2 circles in each eye, and then I'm going to colour that circle in neatly and colour that one in. You could do that later, but I think it looks good now. And then I'm just going to put a couple of little, flick those lines out for the eyelashes. Now it's time to put the stripes on the scarf. And let's put her jacket on now one sleeve, come down across and then join that back up into there. Her hand is like a U shape, really simple hand. Now over this side we're going to bring this line down and we're going to bring a line down here, so pretend that comes down. Then we're going to curve it around like this. I'm going to put a line in for her leg, one like that, and her other leg is going to be on an angle. Now her foot, we're going to bring straight down, curve it around like that. We're going to do this one here like this. Then if you wanted to put a sole on, just put a little sole on. Her shoes are going to be black anyway, so you may not see that. Now we're going to put her badge on. And a part of her scarf is hanging down. So really simply just bring the scarf down there. You could touch it on there or wherever you do it. The stripes on this are going to be horizontal this time. Now her arm is going to come up like this, and she is going to be holding her wand. So another curve. Now the wand is going to be a straight line up, and then just make that a little bit narrower, and then you can put some little lines like that on there. Now all we have to do is her fringe and her hair, and she's going to look cool. So fringe, simplify her fringe down like this. Then get her hair, so directly above, we're going to draw a line coming out and then bump it around. That's her hair on that side, and then on this side, 1, 2, 3 bumps. And then what we'll do is we will just put a little bump in there, another little bump in there. And there we have Hermione Granger, looking pretty cute. Hey, thanks to Isabel and Evelyn for suggesting that I draw Hermione.